What do you think happens on the street at night when all of us are tucked in bed or zoning out to a late night playlist, sitting at the window, wondering about this earthly night? I biked through some neighborhoods today, through alleys and smaller streets, armed with this question. To my breathless surprise, the answer was absolutely nothing. Yeah, nothing happens at night. No ghosts, no UFOs, no nothing. Look outside your window and you will see the night for exactly what it is. Just stillness and darkness. This is just like the big dark universe when astronauts and astrophysicists aren't watching it. Like hills at night or expansive prairie lands when farmers are resting at home. There are stray cows and sleeping horses, but for the most part, nothing. Just empty space until we show up. A scavenger here, a gleaner there. Some of us scavenge or glean in garbage cans, distant from others' sympathetic gazes at night, even pitiful eyes just hovering over them. Just let them be, let them do their thing. I mean, they rule the streets. It is the night, time to be anonymous, free of judgment. So nothing happens in the street at night until we show up. Alleyways are their own thing. I will save them for another story. But the lost find themselves in alleyways. Some of us are a little high strung, I admit. Some might be ready to take your money and clothes and maybe even your dignity. But they are still one of us, driven by a desperation, people looking for something, hunting, chasing illusions in absolutely nothing. What do you think happens on the street at night before we show up, before our minds scavenge through our pasts and conjure stories to be projected on this beautifully silent being, the night? She sits over us, invisible, dark, invincible, carefree, hopeful, and expecting you to be absolutely nothing.